Hi friends, I am Hizar. In today's lecture, we will look at Microsoft Publisher. We will see how we can use Microsoft Publisher, a rare using application of Microsoft Office, but a more powerful application. Microsoft Publisher basically used for the designing like flyer design, poster design, etc. In today's lecture, we will see how we can use Microsoft Publisher. First of all, you can see there are many templates that are predefined by the Microsoft Publisher. You can see here there are multiple templates. You can select anyone. Like first I will select template, then after that I will teach you how you can create your own template. Like you can say happy 6th mother birthday mom. You have to click on it and change the number and you can use it. Like here we can use yeah it's- look at this looking. Let's see, I have just chosen one template, or I'm just creating, or you can say I am downloading this application. As I click on it, and this application is going to show me on the main window. Here you have multiple boxes where you can add the multiple things. Like I select this template name pet, or you can say animal groups. Here we have a picture of a dog. We can change the picture, we can rename it, and template is already predefined. We just have to add the pictures there and write their description. How you can add picture? Just click there, click on work offline and select your picture, that what picture you want to put it here. I just add the picture, insert. When you insert the pictures, perfectly fit on the size, and just write the description about the about your picture. For example, this is a book, or you can, when you write it, or you can resize it from there, and in this way you can fill this whole template by adding the pictures and their description. Let's see how we can create another template. Like I select the blank template, and now I'm going to teach you how we can create our own flyer. First, go to the page design. First of all, we have to select the background. Here is a background option. We can select any solid color and any gradient background, but I want more background, means this is the option no fill, solid fill, gradient fill, and picture or a texture fill. I just click there, and here is an option of insert. I want to insert my picture, stock images. As it open, I want to make a template on a book. I just writing book and press enter. And in stock images we can say there are multiple images, and let me look at the images. What images should we select for book defining template? This one is pretty good. Click on insert and click OK. You see the picture is automatically fit on the template size. Now first thing has been done. Yeah, you have to define the background, and picture is pretty good according to background. Now I want to make the template on the book, or you can say I want to make a flyer on a book or poster on a book. I want to insert an image. I just click on the picture, desktop, and I select the picture that I want to insert. I want to insert this picture here. I just flip it and adjust it according to my need, and I'm just adjust it according to your need, whatever you want, where you want to adjust. Fine. Now come on, insert home first, You can name your document here, means you can here write your shop name or anything else. I'm just writing the author's library. I just write the name and I'm going to resize it because it is much small. The name of the shop is the author's library. I click on insert and I ask for the word art and I select one of the word art, and here I have a very beautiful style. I'm just deleting this one. The author's library, just adjust it according to your need. Yeah, excellent. I think it's looking pretty fine. Yes, the author's library. You can write anything here, wherever you want. Again, I click on insert. You can add many of other things, like here's an option of advertisement. You can add these things. If there's an offer, you can add this picture, predefined pictures in your template or in your design. Here's an also option of the page parts. You can add the things from there, and you can add shapes as well. I'm just selecting shape to make the footer of my I just adjust it here, or you can use this type of shapes. I'm just click on that, and here you can insert your text what you want to enter. I click on it. Let's see, ABC market and XYZ street. Whatever the name of your shop, you can enter there. I select it, home, just resize it according to your need, and I'm going to change its font. Even you can add any of the shape here according to your, or you can use transparent background. You just home, draw text box, and just draw your text box here, and you can enter your text here by using transparent background, and you can delete this one. See how pretty good it's looking. In this way you can design your flyer, your brochure, or any other things you else. It is recommended you can use predefined templates like the book cook, a very good template for the book. I just click here and it open another page for me for the book cook. You know, whenever we are writing the book, there are multiple pages, like first book title page, then content page, and things like that. In this way you can add more and more pages. For this, if you have a little bit knowledge of Microsoft Word and PowerPoint, it's pretty easy for you. You can use Microsoft Publisher. I will give the link in description of my Microsoft PowerPoint lectures and Microsoft Word lectures. If you have any trouble in editing, you can see the lecture from the link. And finally, here we come how we can export our file. I just click on the file that we have created, go to file, you can use save and save as, and here is an option of export. You can create PDF of your document, publish as HTML, and change file type. Here you have a multiple options. You have predefined extension options, you have PNG extension, you have JPG extension like GIF, things like that. And you want to save file in another format, here is an option. In this way you can save your picture, or you can save it as create PDF or save. Publish. As it will publish, it will show you on the screen. This, see, now you can see how your template is looking. It's all about Microsoft Publisher. In this way you can use Microsoft Publisher Thanks for watching. If you like my video, then please click on the like button, please, and give your precious review in comments, and please share it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit on bell icon. Thank you.